Welcome to our comparison of two compact washing machines designed for small spaces. The WonderWash Portable Mini Washing Machine and the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine. In this video, we'll delve into their unique features, advantages, and disadvantages to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring no electricity, making it perfect for camping or off-grid living. However, it does require physical effort to operate. In contrast, the Super Deal model is electric, featuring separate wash and spin cycles, which allows for a more efficient laundry process. This makes it suitable for those who prefer a quicker and less labor-intensive experience. When it comes to capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry, which is ideal for small loads or delicate items. On the other hand, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub boasts a larger washing capacity of 8 pounds for the washer and 5 pounds for the spinner, making it a better choice for larger loads or families. The WonderWash features a charming retro design, making it visually appealing while being lightweight and portable. This makes it easy to store and transport. In contrast, the Super Deal model has a more modern design with a larger footprint, which may be less portable but offers a functional layout with separate compartments for washing and spinning. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine have their unique strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize portability and manual operation, the WonderWash is an excellent choice. However, if you need a more efficient and larger capacity washing solution, the Super Deal model is likely the better option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.